Today, I'm going to show you how to create engaging YouTube Shorts using Canva in just a few minutes. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're logged in. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube Shorts and press Enter. You'll see a variety of vertical video templates designed specifically for YouTube Shorts. Take a moment to browse through them and select one that fits your style or message. Once you pick a template, click Customize to open it in Canva's editor. Here you can personalize everything, edit the text, change fonts, adjust colors, and replace images with your own or Canva's library. To add more content, click the plus icon to create additional pages. Each page contributes to your short's total length, so plan accordingly. Make sure your text and visuals flow smoothly to keep viewers engaged. When you're happy with your video, click Download and save it in a format ready for YouTube. Then upload it to your channel and share it with your audience. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create professional, eye-catching YouTube Shorts using Canva. Keep experimenting and have fun designing.